Hello students, this is your English language class and today we are going to read chapter 1, that is glossary, dictionary and alphabetical order. So to start our chapter, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sanjeevan Kumar and I am your English teacher. So let's start our chapter. Glossary, dictionary and alphabetical order. So first we have to know about what is glossary. Glossary. A glossary is an alphabetical list of the commonly unknown words with their definition. So if anyone asks you what is glossary, so you will tell that the glossary is an alphabetical list of the commonly unknown words with their definition. Students, when we read the book, we find many difficult words and you will find glossary at the back point, okay, back of the book. It is written on back of book. Okay, example of glossary. For example, the first word here written, ability. Ability means skill to do something. Moon, what is moon? The natural satellite of any planet. Root, any underground part of the plant. So if you know about the ability, moon and root, you can find the meaning from your glossary, which is written on your back side of your book. Okay, so we have learned glossary. Now we are going to learn about the dictionary. What is dictionary? Dictionary provides definition of words in alphabetical order. It also provides pronunciation, translation, etc. Students, here in glossary we also find the words in alphabetical order. See, A, then M, then A. So it is in ABC order, alphabetical order. So in dictionary provides definition of words in alphabetical order. It also provides pronunciation, translation, etc. Okay, so if you want to find any difficult word in your dictionary, you can easily find, but you have to know about the alphabetical order, okay, which is written on A, B, C, D, ABC form. Okay, what are the types of dictionary? The first one is offline and second one is online. Offline dictionary you can use by book, okay, you can purchase on shop by, it is large size and there are a lot of meanings you will find on offline dictionaries. But in online you have to use many gadgets like mobile, computer, tablet, etc. So it is also very helpful and now everyone is using online dictionary. It is very famous. Okay, so we have learned glossary, dictionary. Now we are going to learn about the alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? Alphabetical order or ABC order is an indexing method in which names, terms or words are arranged in the same sequence as the letters of the alphabet, A to Z. Okay, so alphabetical order or ABC order is an indexing method. Indexing, how we made index? We made index starting from A and ending from Z. Okay, so indexing method in which names, terms, any names, Ram, Sohan, Aditya, Nirala, okay, any name you can take, which names, terms or words are arranged in the same sequence as the letters of the alphabet. So we are going to take the examples and now we learn in a good way. Okay, so first example, it is written in unarranged manner, and we are going to arrange it. So D, B, C, A. So what first will come? A. So we have written A, then B, then C, then D. So we have arranged in ABC order. Second, dog, cat, apple, 11. So how will write in ABC order? First, apple written, second, cat, third, dog, fourth, 11. Okay students, now third example, Ram, Sohan, Nirala, Aditya. So how will write in ABC order? First one is Aditya, because it is starting from A, then N, then R, then S. So Aditya, Nirala, Ram, Sohan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fourth example is sleep, run, flower, ability. Okay. So it is started from A, then we will write here first ability, then F, flower, then R, run, then sleep. So it is very easy to learn that. You all have to learn this one, and it is very easy. If you will learn the ABC order, you will find any difficult word in your dictionary. Okay students, thank you.